Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of OnePlus Nord CE3 5G smartphone. So you can see Nord, and if we see here you can see the OnePlus Nord CE3 5G branding. So now quickly open it up and start the unboxing. So in top we get this small box of OnePlus, and if we see inside it, you can see the sticker of Nord, Red Cable Club, and some reading manuals and stickers. Okay, keep this thing aside, and guys, you can see it is blue case. It is not transparent case. It is blue case with camera lens protection. You can see. Okay, and guys, here's the phone itself. OnePlus Nord CE3 5G. It is in aqua search color. The gray shimmer color is also available. So we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the USB Type A to Type C red cable. And guys, this is 80-watt fast charger you get in the box. So that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So here's the phone itself. Remove its plastic cover. So here you can see OnePlus Nord CE3 5G smartphone. If we talk about the weight, it is 184 gram, and the thickness of this smartphone is 8.2 mm. And if we talk about the build, it has glass front, plastic frame, and a plastic back. So if we talk about the design, so you can see the design of the phone. It has shiny design. You can see the shiny design, cool clear design. You can see it has flat edges which will fit in your hand very smoothly, like this. You can see it will fit in your hand very smoothly. Flat edges, it comes with flat edges. Okay, now after it, if we talk about its physical overview, in top here with the first speaker grill, this is the air blaster, and this is the secondary noise cancellation microphone. And on this side we get the volume up and down key and power on off key, and this is the second speaker grill, USB type C port, main microphone, and the SIM tray. So quickly eject it. So guys, it has a hybrid SIM card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card up to 1 TB. And on this side nothing. Here you can see, and if we see on back, so here you can see it has a triple rear camera setup, and guys, it has two shiny metal rings. Here you can see, to protect the camera it has two shiny metal rings, and here we get the big LED flash. So if we talk about the camera, the main camera is 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor f1.8 aperture with optical image stabilization support, and 8 megapixel Sony IMX355 sensor ultra wide camera, and 2 megapixel macro camera you get in this one. And here you can see the branding of OnePlus. And if we talk about the front, it has 16 megapixel front camera over there, and it has 6.7 inches full HD plus 120 Hz Fluid AMOLED display. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So here I have set up the device, and this is the main screen of OnePlus Nord CE3 5G. If we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer, and if we slide from top, we get the notification center, helpful quick setting, and brightness adjustment is also available there. It has 950 nits peak brightness, and if we talk about the display, it is HDR10 plus certified, wide N1 support, and if we talk about the screen to body ratio, it is 93.4%. And if we talk about the processor of this smartphone, it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 782G 6nm octa-core processor, which will provide you plus 5% CPU performance and plus 10% GPU performance, and it has up to 2.7 GHz clock speed. So now quickly check the smoothness of the smartphone. It has 120 Hz ultra smooth display. So quickly check this out. So guys, as you can see, the display performance is really fast and responsive. You can see it is ultra smooth. It will provide you smooth operations. You can see the display of the smartphone is really smooth, as you can see. And if we talk about the battery of this smartphone, it has 5000 milliamp hour battery. We support 80 watt superbook fast charge and a day's power in just 15 minutes. And it has VC cooling system. Yes, it has VC cooling system available in this smartphone, which will make you in game and keep temperature low and give you performance smoother than ever. Okay, after it, if we talk about its camera, some shots I took with this smartphone. And the good thing is it has NFC support. And if we talk about the haptic feedback, yes, haptic vibration feedback, it has X-axis linear motor for smoother haptic vibrations. And if we talk about the speaker, it has dual stereo speaker, Dolby Atmos and high resolution audio. So quickly check this out. And after it, if we talk about its software, it runs on Oxygen OS 13.1 based on Android 13. Okay, and if we talk about its in-display fingerprint and face unlock performance, so quickly check this out. If we talk about the in-display fingerprint, here the fingerprint animation pops out. I put finger and it unlock the phone. Animation pops out. I put finger and it quickly unlock the phone, as you can see. It pops out, I put finger and it quickly unlocks the phone. So guys, the in-display fingerprint is really fast and responsive. And if we talk about the face unlock, I look at the phone and it quickly unlocks the phone. I'm not seeing, I look and it quickly unlocks the phone, as you can see. I'm not seeing, I look and it quickly unlock the phone. So both in-display fingerprint and face unlock both are fast and responsive. And the good thing is it is water resistant. You can splash it into water without any problem. So guys, this is the unboxing of OnePlus Nord CE3 5G smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.